I'm wondering about Joe Biden's economic plan and how this could help solve the problem, because last night we learned that his economic plan calls for $160 billion in funding. This would be going to a national program of vaccination, testing, and other containment efforts for the coronavirus. I think we've learned that there hasn't been a coordinated federal response over the last 10 months, and that has been one of the biggest issues with containing this virus. But is $160 billion enough for states to pull this off?
So the question is not just about the resources. And yes, the states need the resources. We have to remember that the public health infrastructure of the states, they have been under extreme stress with the situation, right? Don't forget about the contact tracing and all the additional tasks that these public health infrastructures and workers are really struggling under. And now we're adding on vaccination. Mass vaccine centers is a really important part of this in order to get the vaccine out into the community, because that's what we're pushing into right now, right? The healthcare workers, we've done a pretty good job of getting them vaccinated. Now we're pushing this into the community, and we need to bring the vaccine to the community. It takes resources. So every health department is going to be thinking about, okay, what do I need in terms of resources, both in dollars, but also hiring. We're going to need more people to help run these vaccine centers, administer the dosages. I think we see some of this with the National Guard being called in
Right.
a number of different states. So personnel. But the other piece that Joe Biden noted last night was, we need clear guidance on this. And that I think is critical. Those two pieces, the clear scientific guidance and the resources. That is the combination that we need from the federal government in order for the public health infrastructure to kick into the highest gear possible and get this vaccine rolled out.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.